They've done now. That's it for now. Okay. Are we still having a bloody good time? I heard you. You did it right. I love it. You should teach everybody else. Are you all having a bloody good night? Yay! You're getting quite good at this. Hey, 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 hey. Looks like more fans. Who is it? Well, I'm not sure if it's true. I may have just heard a rumour. That was quite poo, wasn't it? That was quite poo. My cheese radar has stopped working. Okay. Right, okay. We have rumour from Abergele, ladies and gentlemen. Just up the road. Okay, we have got Brad on vocals and guitar. Sexy Brad, hello. Hello. We have got Joel on the drums. He wasn't paying attention. He can't be called sexy. Is he sexy? Oh, yes. Oh, he's so lovely. Look at him. I would go as far as saying he's quite cute. Okay, I'm a bit old, to be fair. We have Joe on bass. Lovely. And we have Rich on lead guitar. Are you ready? Wow, that was a quick turnaround. This is Rumour, ladies and gentlemen.
We've lost the drummer. Where's he gone? We're Rumour.
Thinking of you. Summertime, think it was June. Help me out! Yeah, I think it was June. We're laying back out in the grass, children grown, having some laughs. Yeah, we're having some laughs. Help me sing it, come on! Make me feel like the one. Make me feel like the one. The one. Make me feel like the one. Make me feel like the one. Campers, please enjoy. Thoughts at us, but only time shows us who we really are. Staring at clocks as our time races by. All of my past has left me with scars. Richie Dolan!
Thank you so much. If you haven't heard of us, we're called Rumour. We're from Abergally. Got Joe Gill on bass, Richard Dolan on guitar, Joe Parry on drums, Bradley Hughes, me. This is our last song, it's one of our own, it's called Laughs Last. noise.
I said how we could grow. And I said do now how we could grow and make things we could grow.
Thank you so much. We've been Rumour. Big thanks to all our fans down here. All the people who've never heard of us, hope you liked us. Big thanks to Kurt, Steve, and Panic Productions. Really enjoyed it. Love you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the very awesome Rumour. I think you guys enjoyed that. Fair play.